What's up guys, Jens Garcia here, taking a look at two different products from Seagate. Now on the left, we have the Seagate Central, which is a NAS, and then on the right, we have the Seagate Slim, which is a portable hard drive. Now I always bring external hard drive to save my work, and to have a portable hard drive like this size is a big deal. Now it is slim, light, and thin, and let me put it next to the Galaxy S4 actually. Now take a look at how thin it is. Now there's also a metal plate on top, and you know I'm a fan of anything metal on a device, so that's a plus. That's basically straightforward when setting it up. Simply connect this to your computer and it will start reading the drive for you. Now there's a software that you can also install which will let you do a backup and restore, and even schedule when you want to do the backup and restore. I can also share photos and videos as well, and the dashboard is very user friendly, and with large icons it's going to be really easy for you to navigate. Depending on your system, the best way to test the speed is via USB 3.0 port. Now the speed that I was getting was at least 107 megabytes per second, and I transferred it using the Asus ROG G750, which is one of the top-end laptops from Asus. Now that's based on the 10 gigabytes of files. The speed was solid, and yeah, basically overall great performance. Now there's only one storage configuration, and that is the 500 gigabytes, and that's what we're using right now. So hopefully I guess the next generation of this drive will have a bigger or more storage options. The last one that we're going to be taking a look at is the Seagate Central. It is a NAS server or network attached storage, which means it will have to be hooked up to your network. Now it is 4 terabytes worth of storage, but there are other configurations as well, such as 2 terabytes and 3 terabytes. Now the Seagate Central is a large device, and the fact that it can only be placed in landscape, then that means you're going to need some more space for this. At the front you have the Seagate logo, and then on the back you'll find all the ports, such as the USB 2.0 port, as well as AC jack and Ethernet port, which needs to be connected to the router. It's easy to set up. Simply plug the Ethernet cable on both Ethernet ports on the NAS and the router, and then connect it to the power. You'll then need to go to the website provided by Seagate, and that will help you to install and configure the NAS. Now this NAS is great if you want to set up a small network around your house, though I'm not quite sure if this is suitable enough for small office network. Now when downloading files from the NAS, I was getting around 12.5 megabytes per second with upload speeds of 4.2 to 5.7 megabytes per second. Now I did experience faster read and write speeds, but most of the time it was around the speeds that I mentioned. So if you're downloading or uploading large files from it, then you will have to wait for quite a long time. I don't highly recommend putting all your important files in there, because if it fails, then the chances are you will lose them all. You can however set up a RAID which creates a mirror image of the drive. Now the most popular RAIDs are 1 and 5. Now the great thing about having NAS like this is that it's very easy to access. Whether you have a smartphone or a tablet, there's an application that you can download on both App Store and Google Play Store, and that will let you remote access your files. So from there you can download, upload, and delete the files. Now movie playback is quick on this. It only takes a few seconds to load a video. Same when browsing photos, no lag in terms of media playbacks, which is great to see at least. Now, the Seagate Central is great if you want to set up your own media server where your TVs, smartphones, and tablets will be able to stream videos and photos through it. Now, I'm still not quite sure if this will be fine in small offices, as I've mentioned, and for a small home network, then sure, no worries on that. Now the price isn't too bad either, considering that you're getting 4 terabytes from this, or if you are slightly on a low budget, then you can always get the 2 terabytes or the 3 terabytes models. As for the portable hard drive, it's slim, pocket friendly, and great for traveling, and you do get solid read and write speeds out of it. Personally, I would love to have one for myself. So there you have it, those are the latest products from Seagate, and if you enjoyed this video or if you think this is helpful, then please make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. As always, I'm Jens Garcia from Tech for Geeks, and I'll see you all in the next one.